So I just built this website in about 10 minutes using AI without writing a single line of code. I was speaking to a brother Masjid, and he was telling me he wanted to build a website for his business and he was going to hire a developer and so on. And I was telling him, hey, you can just build this yourself using AI. He didn't believe it. He was like, really? So I'm going to send him the link, which you guys can also find in the description here. I'm going to send him the link for him to see how the website looks and so he can actually build it himself. Nowadays with AI, you can literally build anything that you want. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I actually built this website, make the website live, meaning anyone can access the website and see it. So to build this, we'll be using his business card because he has one. If he didn't have one, I can just go ahead and tell the AI what the business is about and give him more information. But since he has one, I can just send this picture and the AI will be able to build the website using this information. Then we will use Codex. Codex is actually what's going to help us build the app. This is by the ChatGPT team. You can just go to chatgpt.com/Codex to download it. And then we use Netlify. So Netlify is a way for us to make our website live, meaning anyone can access the website. So we'll just go ahead into Codex, which here. And the first thing, before we do anything, we were just going to go ahead. Usually you would have this section that's open. Just go to plugins. And in plugins here, scroll down. You can either search it or just go to where it says product design. The reason why we're using product design is because this teaches our AI how to design a very good looking website. Because many AI struggle with design and they create what is called slop, which is not good looking. So this pretty much teaches our AI how to make a good design. So once that, you can just click to add it. I already have added it, so I don't need to do it again. Now we go back to the new chat. I'm actually going to create a project for this because I want to keep everything organized. You can just click start from scratch and I'm going to say just website for now. I'm going to click on this plus button here and I am going to upload the business card just to give the AI context, because the more context you give it, the better output it will give you. And then I'm going to just type add product design just so the AI can use this product design plugin that we've mentioned so you can create a good looking website. And just click on this icon for the microphone so I can dictate my thoughts instead of typing it because it's a lot faster. I would like for you to create for me a premium $10,000 website based on the information in this business card. Give me a few visual mockups, maybe 3 to 4 visual mockups that I can choose from before you actually start building the website. So I'm going to click stop. So what it's going to be doing is going to generate a free design option for me instead of just going ahead and building the website. So I'm going to get a few mockups. I'm going to look at it and pick one and then it's going to build it. So I'm just going to click send here and it's going to go ahead and generate that for us. Okay, so it took about 1 minute and the AI generated a few visuals. So let's see which one we would like. So we have this one here. Okay. I like the first one because the first one closely matches the business card. I really like the first one. Let me see. Yeah, this one is just like a regular website. So yeah, let's go with the first one, which is Echo Visual. Let's go with the first one. I really like it. Let's build this thing. Okay, let's send it now. Building the website is actually generating assets for the website. So we don't even have to get our own assets. So here's generating a fresh hero image. So it generated this image for us. So we don't even need to add our own asset in here. But as the AI is working, it's making sure that the website works on desktop, also that it works on mobile. So meaning mobile is testing, like right now, literally, the website on desktop. So this is how it will look on desktop. Also on mobile, it will look like this. And then on very, very small devices, it will look a little bit smaller. So all of this is being done by the AI, testing everything and making sure everything looks good before actually giving us the website. Just like that, it took about, how long? 10 minutes and the website is done. For some reason, it didn't open in the browser. We can click here and open it in our own browser. However, Codex app has a browser by itself. So I'm just going to say and click here, dictate. Please make sure we can see the website in the in-app browser that we have here. So since it has a browser here, we don't have to go on our own browser. We can just look at it from here. Now, all we have to do is just click open in browser. We can just click Codex browser and it's going to open it here. And this is literally the full website. Wow, this is amazing. It generated all of these assets. Wow, it added all of this. All of this can be changed. Obviously, this is just a quick prototype. You can add your name here, choose a service that you want, message, and then start with a call. Wow, click here, it goes to this page. And we can see that the site is responsive. Responsive meaning if you click here and you click show device toolbar, you can change. You can change it to, for example, how the website is going to look on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And we have a few changes here that we'll tell the AI to fix. We can just tell it to fix these things. But everything else just looks pretty good here. So I'm going to switch it back to responsive, meaning I can just kind of drag it, see how it will look on different screen sizes. And it has this thing that you can click here. Actually, there's this one, annotate. You can click on annotate here. Annotate meaning if you see any mistake, you can just tell the AI, you can highlight it and say, hey, maybe if I click here, I want it to be centered. I can say, hey, please center this. And the AI is going to center it. Or I can actually just click on the microphone button here. Please make sure we are centering this. Put it in the center. And I can just send it. And just like this, the AI is actually going to do it. It's going to add it here, and I can just click send. And it's going to make sure that it's going to center this here. And then we can just look through the website and see anything else that we need to change, and we can just tell it to change it. So just like that, in about 10 minutes, we have a full working website. This is something that would take someone who's an actual developer to build this, or even would have taken them probably a long time, maybe like a couple of hours for them to be able to make a website like this. And we just did it in about 10 minutes. So there's no reason why someone doesn't have a website nowadays. Any masjid, I see a lot of masjid who don't have a website, or they have a very old website. You can build them a very new website. And you can even take the link of the current masjid and send it to Codex here and say, hey, I want you to rebuild this website, but make it look more modern, and so on. And it will literally do that for you. So then the next thing that we're going to be doing is, right now, this website it's only available, accessible on our desktop, meaning I can only go to this link right now on my computer. If I click and copy this and send it to someone else, they're not going to be able to access it. This is called localhost. What we're going to be doing is we're going to use Netlify, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So if you go back to plugins, we can just search here Netlify, and we can add it. I already added it, so I don't have to do it again. And once you add it, it's going to ask you to create a new account if you don't have an account. And all of this is free. You can just deploy it for free. And I'm going to go back to the website, and I'm going to come here and just to add Netlify. And I'm going to say just deploy or make this website live. It took a few minutes, but just like that here, we have a live link that anyone can click on to see the website. So I have this link in the description for you guys to check out and make sure and see that this is not fake. But you can see this, the website here. And yeah, this was done just from this business card that we had here. So we took the business card, we had Codex build it, and we made it live with Netlify. So there's a few things here we can ask the AI to fix. However, for now, this is just to show you how you can actually build the website. And imagine this, you can just take this and give it to someone and say, hey, I made your website here, and you can ask them to pay you. Because you're not asking them to make a website. I already made your website. Here how it looks. If you want it, I can give it to you, or we can talk about payment. So there's a huge opportunity for someone to just start making money selling website to other people. So right now with AI, I mean, you can pretty much build anything that you want. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video, comment, and share with someone that might find this useful. So if you'd like to see other ways on how you can use AI to build things or solve problems, I made a video where I spoke about how I use AI to solve $1 million RP problem for me. It's something that I've been struggling with for years, and I just spoke to AI and it helped me fix that problem. You can check out that video here.